Recently, you may have heard the term Web 2.0 being used in the media, on the radio, and maybe even your classroom. But what exactly is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 is a term that is now widely associated with advancements in web development and design. MySpace, Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, and YouTube are some of the many examples of Web 2.0. Web 2.0 sites allow you to interact with other users as compared to the previous non-interactive websites. Although Web 2.0 has become a popular term, it does not necessarily mean that there have been any updates to the technology of websites. Tim O'Reilly developed the concept of Web 2.0 in 2005, but the web inventor Tim Berners-Lee has called the term Web 2.0 a piece of jargon. Ning is a free online service that allows you to create your own custom social network. Gina Benaccini and Mark Anderson created Ning in October of 2004 and has since grown to 1.5 million Ning networks with over 33 million users. Signing up for Ning is very simple. First, you will need to create an ID, which will then allow you to join an existing social network, or you can create your own. After you have filled in the necessary personal information, you can then go back and edit your profile. Once you have filled in your information and tailored your profile to your liking, you are now ready to start your social network. Once you have signed up for Ning, you will find that there are many benefits to being part of the Ning network, especially in education. Ning offers over 1,000 educational social networks that allow teachers to network and socialize with other teachers locally as well as around the world. Each education social network focuses on a different topic or issue in education. Both teachers and students can benefit from Ning. Teachers have the opportunity to talk to other teachers and learn different teaching styles, while students can use Ning to find tutorials in academic subjects and find scholarship information. Although there are many benefits to Ning, like all things, there are also a few disadvantages. One disadvantage is that although Ning is a free service, the server can only manage a limited amount of users in 1 month. The Ning service only gives you the maximum storage capacity of 10 gigabytes and a monthly data transfer bandwidth limit of 100 gigabytes. Another drawback to using Ning in education is the current lack of good filter, which creates problems in finding the best content. Also, the Ning users are limited to directly inviting people to join their social network. By now, you should be ready to start your own network using Ning, but first let's review some helpful tips for using Ning. First, you will need to set up an account with Ning. Once your account is set up, you should browse through the website to gather ideas on how other users have presented their profile and network pages. This will also help you in deciding what other groups you might fit into. Ning is an excellent service that is offered to anyone who wants to start their own unique social network. But you may also be wondering about all the other social networks that are available. There are over 1 million other social networks that you can join. Some of the most popular ones are Facebook, MySpace, and Flickr. In the realms of education, Call to Teach and the National Council of Teachers of English are other social networks that are available. As we have discussed before, there are millions of other social networks besides Ning. Of course, millions of social networks come with millions of user profiles. After viewing many profiles on the Ning network, the one that captured my attention was that of Dr. Stephen Jones. Dr. Jones is a college administrator and publisher who has published many books, including The 7 Secrets of How to Study. Dr. Jones's profile features his personal blog, which he regularly adds posts, as well as links to his website through the SAG Publishing Company. Another educational profile that is featured on Ning is Classroom 2.0. This is a useful profile that teaches educators about technology that can be used in the classroom, such as smartboard and podcasting. This profile also offers websites that teachers can use as references, blog posts, and software programs to use in their schools. Also, all discussions are listed according to subject in the archives. To sum everything up, Ning is a free online service that allows users to create social networks and to communicate with other users across the world. Although there are some disadvantages to using Ning, there are far greater advantages. And by using the helpful hints that we have discussed before, you can create your very own social network and find others who share your interests.